Hello and welcome to my channel with your boys that Cordul. Okay, so today we're gonna react about HACHI Rainy Proof. So for context, okay, this is my subscriber recommendation by Rafi_Vian. He said he want me to react about this independent VTuber or V-singer. So is that a huge difference? Because when he said V-singer, her content is only sing song. Okay, I'm just curious about that. So yeah, I'm just gonna react to this independent VTuber called HACHI. So if you like this kind of perfection, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and then like, comment if you want me to react anything else. Just like Rafi_Vian. Okay, so yeah, without no chat bullshit anymore, let's just get straight into this video. Oh, this is not animation at all. Hey. 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 Hey, her voice. Oh my god. Oh. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. No fucking way. This is not 10 out of 10. Okay? Fucking hell, bro. Raffi_Fian. Okay, you know your stuff, huh? You know your stuff. Okay. Bro, hey Hachi, is that you, huh? I'm subscribed to you, bro. I'm subscribed to you. Dang, she had a good, beautiful voice. Dang. I mean, I'm comparing with Suisse and Toa, you know, in Hololive. So, bruh, I'm completely mind blown right now. When the first I hear her voice, I'm just, is this real? I'm just not expecting her voice is fucking beautiful like this. I thought it's gonna be some cute or like, you know, cute voice like Miko by Korra or Luna, or maybe like Luna voice, but no, it's almost her level is almost like Suisse or Toa, bro. I can't. Her voice is good. What the fuck? 10 out of 10 for song, and for the visual is fucking great too as well. You know, it's fucking 3D. You know, so I'm just gonna put 9 out of 10 for the visual. Combine that, 19. Fucking hell, bro. Why I'm not discovered this VTuber sooner? You know, what the fuck? Hey, thank you, Raffi_Fian. Thank you for letting me know this kind VTuber is still exists. Woo! Is this her original song? Huh? Is this her original song or what? If these are her original song, fucking nail it. You're fucking nail it, Hachi. Hachi is one of my favorite VTuber singer beside Toa and Suisse. Okay? Woo! That's it about my reaction and my review. If you like this, like, subscribe, and comment if you want me to react anything else just like Raffi_Fian. Okay? I'm fucking gassed right now. I'm hyped. Sorja, until the next video guys. Matane.